Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KN Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So in last video, I was not able to complete my login and registration process of my website, my login.php file. So in this video, I will try to complete that. So for that, come to the PHP part and okay, remove this login and registration button. Okay, that's it. And again, now remove this also from the here and also from here. Now remove this comments statement. Okay, login registration, login email here, and here login password. Okay, no, not a problem. We need to delete whole code from here. Password. Okay, now email from database, login, email from database, and email from password. Now login query is equal to select star from user where email is equal to $login email. And password is equal to $login password. This is it for this SQL select query. And actually I have to change also here login password instead of registration password, and login email instead of registration email. Okay, now login query result variable result that is equal to MySQL query $con and login query variable as a query of our PHP file. If $login query result is equal to 1, if it is 1, then we have if MySQL underscore num rows $login query result is greater than 0. If it is so, we will execute a while loop in which we create a row PHP variable row which will assign MySQL fetch associate. Okay, associate, in which we will pass our query result, that is login query result. Okay, and in this we will fetch our login email, that is row email, and okay, enough, and no need to fetch password, and okay, and okay. After this we will write if email from database, $email from database is equal to dollar login email. If this is 1 or true, then we will have header, header location, location main.php. Okay, and we will start session from here, and also store the variable email, store the values of login email variable and login password variable into our session variable. Session email, that is equal to login email, and session single inverted comma password. Okay, no need to set a password, just email, and location main.php, that's it. And for registration, insert into registration or okay, save it. And now see the result. Open our refresh page, registration, type your password, registration successful. As you can see, our registration is successful, and we will see the data, okay, from our admin part of SQL, whether the data came or not. Okay, user, yes, as you can see, actually password is still not came. Okay, we need to change the type of our password column, I think so, because this is of type int and we are providing varchar, so we need to change it first. So here it is should be varchar, because we are providing some capital letter, some special character, and some digits, and all belongs under varchar types, so it should be varchar. So save it. Okay, now I will delete this. I will delete both of the IDs, and user ID should be auto incremented. Why is it not incrementing itself? Let me check it first. It should auto increment. Okay, now it is correct. Delete both of the files, both of the data from here, to create a fresh new data. Now insert one another data as username and password inside our admin part, ankit@123. Now see the changes in user table of our database. Okay, this time username and password is right, but still there is error in user ID. So for this, come to the structure, and user ID. Delete this data. Come to structure. I am implementing it, but it is not get incremented. Why? There must be some error, I think. Okay, save it first and again provide some data. Come to our GUI part. First refresh the page. Click on register button, type your email ID and password. Click on register yourself. Registration successful, as you can see, and come to user table of our database. But still user ID is not incrementing, as you can see on the screen. Why is it so? There is one another problem occur here. Okay, do one thing. Delete this. Change all the types of here. This change this to user ID. It should be int, auto incremented. Do one thing, delete this whole database, whole table. And create a fresh new table. Okay, table will be user, column will be 3, first column will be user ID, length will be 100, and this would be auto incremented. Now this would be email, this would be varchar, length will be 100, this would be password, it should be varchar, it should be 100. Now save it. And now you will check our database table with value ANKIT@123. Registration successful. User. Yes, now as you can see, So our user ID is auto incremented by 1. So this is it for registration process. Now come to login process. What was that? Our email ID ar89896@gmail.com, ankit@123. On login, yes. Okay, MySQL fetch associate. There is an error code. There is an error in our code, and error is only SO. Okay, now it is correct. Now again refresh the page, click on login, enter your email ID as well as password. Now click on login. Yes, this is it. We are redirected to our main page according to our code. What was that code? Yes, location header.main.php. So we have completed our login as well as our registration process through PHP script. And now so this is it for this video. Thank you. We will cover the next portion in the next video, and the next portion will be we will try to fetch the user information, that is email ID, okay, in the bus ticket page. Okay. Actually, it is HTML. It should be PHP to work on a server. Okay. We will change in the later videos, in the next videos. So, okay. Thank you. See you in next video.